Hey everybody, so I promised you the quickest ever resolution for anxiousness. So this is going to be an inhaler blend. It's really quick to make. Pre-blend it, you're going to love it. All right, you guys, so we are back and I am making the fastest relief for anxiousness, those anxious moments, overwhelm, nights when you can't sleep and you're tossing and turning. One blend. It's called Peace and Calming. And if you look at your screen, you'll see the ingredients. So you may be able to play around with making your own Peace and Calming blend. But I feel like this one is blended perfectly, so I'm using that. And I'd love to hear from you guys what blend you use that's similar to Peace and Calming. So once you look at the ingredients up there, you'll be able to tell me. And so I'm making an inhaler. You guys know I love inhalers, especially for emotional support issues. And so we're just going to place that in a nice clean cup. And I'm going to put the drops of Peace and Calming right on top. And I'm going to go for 10. Okay. 10 drops. Peace and Calming smells so good. You immediately start to calm down. Peace and Calming. So you can use this to relax, to go to sleep, to prevent an argument, to shift your mood. It's a beautiful, beautiful blend. I don't even try to recreate it. I'll just go ahead and use it as blended. So when you're making your inhaler, just take the tweezer and swish it around. You can also do the drop-by-drop method where you just put the organic cotton swab right in the inhaler and just drop the oils right in there. I like both ways, but this always like scraping it up really good so it's nice and soaked. And this thing will last for months. So you put it right in there. What I love about inhalers too is it's really personal. So if you need to get some sleep and you're not feeling so great, you can pull this out, use it, and not bother your spouse with the aroma, and that they may not want the aroma or the effect. They may be sleeping like a log. So this is how you do it, and it just goes, this is for somebody else, so I can't put it in my nose, but breathing in. Okay, and it's great to do a nice deep cleansing breath with that. So if you haven't seen my videos on that, go take a look. In fact, I'll probably pop a link in here so that you can see one of my videos where I'm showing you how to do the deep cleansing breath. So that's a great thing to do with this. Start winding down, you guys, around 9 p.m., which I have not done tonight. I won't even tell you what time it is while I'm recording this. But it's a great thing to do to start winding down, and this is a good one to use to help you to do that, especially if you struggle to kind of power down at night. All right, I promise you it'd be quick and easy. It is. So enjoy and let me know how you enjoy it. Take care.